The HF35C is an easy-to-operate, far-field broadband RF meter designed to measure radio frequency and microwave radiation from 700 MHz to 2.7 GHz. The values displayed are the sum of all the sources within the frequency range of the meter. This frequency range covers the radiation emitted by most cordless phones, DECT phones, cell phones, baby monitors, Bluetooth devices, Wi-Fi, smart meters, and cell phone towers, and more. The meter displays the RF power density measurement in microwatts per square meter. Included in the box is the meter with a 9-volt battery installed, the operating manual, log periodic directional antenna, warranty, and certificate of factory calibration. The HF35C offers excellent sensitivity down to 0.1 microwatts per square meter and up to 1,999 microwatts per square meter in 2 ranges. It has the ability to measure both RMS, a time average signal value, and the peak value, highest output of the signal. The meter's adjustable audio tone replicates the signal patterns and intensity of measured RF emissions, which aids in source identification and direction. Also included is an auto power-off function after 40 minutes to conserve battery life. To attach the antenna, insert it into the slots on the top of the meter as shown. Feed the antenna cable underneath the meter and connect it to the antenna socket. The connection should be snug, but be careful not to over-tighten. Always use the peak signal measurement mode when comparing your results to building biology guidelines. This switch is on the left side of the meter as shown. To begin measuring, set the signal range to 199.9 microwatts per square meter and power the unit on. Slowly scan an area and follow the direction of the highest field strength. Adjust the volume of the sound as needed. If the display is showing only a 1 at any point, then switch the range to 1,999 microwatts per square meter and continue scanning. If you need to measure higher power density levels, this meter can measure up to 199,900 microwatts per square meter with the addition of the available DG20 attenuator. Note that the HF35C has a directional antenna. It only measures in the direction that you are aiming. If you could see its detection pattern, it would look like this. After locating the source and direction of concern, rotate the meter 90 degrees and back and slowly move it around the area for at least 15 seconds to find the highest reading possible. If the measured value is above 1,999 microwatts per square meter, the display will look like this, showing a 1. If you are measuring these extremely high levels of radiation, you will need to attach the optional DG20 attenuator between the antenna and the meter. To do this, disconnect the antenna, then attach the attenuator to the meter, and finally connect the antenna to the attenuator as shown. With the attenuator attached, the readings on the meter are to be multiplied by 100. For example, if the meter is showing 778 measuring on the 1,999 scale, imagine 2 extra zeros, so this would actually be 77,800 microwatts per square meter. Once you have determined the highest reading, compare it to the latest building biology guidelines. Currently, SBM 2008 is the most recent building biology standard. A reasonable goal after mitigation would be to have levels reduced to the slight concern level in microwatts per square meter as shown. For more detailed information about the HF35C and examples of common sound sources of microwave radiation, please visit the Safe Living Technologies website at slt.co.